Hi, I'm Grant with Acroname. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to send serial commands to our USBHub3c host switching hub. I've connected to the back of the hub with our RS-232 adapter board to a laptop computer. Today we are going to walk through some of our Extron compatible commands, specifically changing the upstream host connection and disabling a port. I've opened a serial terminal program to send commands to the hub. First, I'm going to send a host switching command. Currently, the upstream host port is on port 0. We're going to switch to port 1. So what we need to do is enter port 1, so just 1, and then exclamation point. That then the hub echoes back that now the upstream connection is on port 1. Next, we're going to switch it back to port 0. So all we have to do, enter 0, exclamation point, and now it has moved back to port 0. The next command I'm going to show is how to enable and disable a port. In this case, we're going to take port 2. To disable port 2, we first enter the port number, 2, followed by an asterisk, then 0 for disable, and P to complete the command. The port then is echoed back to us as port 2 is now disabled. Next, let's re-enable that port. I'm going to enter 2 again, asterisk, now 1 for enable. Complete the command with a P. The hub then echoes back. Port 2 is now enabled. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about controlling the USBHub3c host switching hub through serial communication, please reach out to sales@acroname.com.